In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PNG in Canva. Whether you're creating a stunning visual for your social media, a captivating presentation slide, or simply embellishing your design project, uploading and integrating PNG files can add that perfect touch with clarity and style. Let's get started and walk through this process together, step by step. First, let's navigate to the Canva platform by heading over to www.canva.com on your web browser. If you haven't already, make sure you log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by Canva's vibrant and user-friendly interface. Now look towards the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a menu with several options, including the Uploads button. Go ahead and click on Uploads. This is where all your media files will be organized, and it's the gateway for adding new images or graphics to your design. Now that we have the Uploads section open, you should see the Upload Files button. This is your next destination. Click on Upload Files. You'll see a dialog box open, which allows you to browse through your computer's file storage. From here, find the PNG file you wish to add to your Canva project. PNG files are great for maintaining the transparency and quality of your images, making them an excellent option for design work where those elements are crucial. Once you've selected your PNG file, click Open. You'll see the upload in progress on Canva. Once it's complete, your image will appear in the Upload section ready for use. Now that your PNG is uploaded to Canva, it's time to incorporate it into your design. Simply click on the image thumbnail in the Uploads panel and it will instantly be placed onto your Canva workspace. You can now drag and drop the image to position it wherever you need in your design. Adjust the size by clicking and dragging the corners, or use Canva's positioning tools to align it perfectly within your layout. Remember, with PNG files you can ensure great versatility, from layering them over other graphics without a background to using them as standalone visuals. PNG files offer that clean, polished look which is vital for professional grade designs. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enrich your Canva projects by adding PNG files. With these tools and steps, you can enhance your design capabilities and bring imaginative aspirations to life. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing on Canva.